Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to change Microsoft Teams email address. Now, have you ever found yourself needing to update your email address on Microsoft Teams? Maybe you're switching to a new email provider, or perhaps you're just looking to keep your contact information current and seamless. Whatever the reason, managing your Microsoft Teams email address efficiently is crucial for maintaining smooth communication. In this guide, we're going to walk through the process step by step, so you can tackle this task with confidence. Let's get started by opening your favorite web browser and heading over to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're on the site, look for the Sign In button and click on it. It's important to use the account credentials linked to the Teams account for which you want to change the email address. This might seem simple, but it's a critical step to ensure you're modifying the correct account and not making unintended changes elsewhere. After signing in successfully, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile photo there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled My Microsoft Account. This action will take you away from the Teams interface and into the broader Microsoft account settings, which is precisely where we need to be to make the necessary changes to your email. Once you've landed on the Microsoft account dashboard, locate the Your Info tab at the top of the page and give it a click. This section of your account is where you can review and manage your personal details. While you're here, it might be a good opportunity to ensure all your information is up to date. But let's keep our focus on the task of updating your email for now. Next, look for the Edit Account Info button and select it. This will bring up various pieces of personal information associated with your account, including your current email addresses. Microsoft prioritizes security, so you may be asked to re-enter your password at this stage. This extra step is simply a way to confirm that it's genuinely you making these changes. If prompted, enter your password and continue. Once you've passed the security check, you'll find yourself in the Account Management area. Here, you can either add a new email address or remove an existing one. If you're updating your email, you'll need to add the new address you wish to use. Keep in mind that Microsoft will send a verification email to this new address, so make sure you have access to it and follow the verification steps that they provide. On the other hand, if you're removing an email address, it's quite straightforward. Just ensure you have another email linked as your primary contact method before proceeding. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll successfully update your Microsoft Teams email address, keeping your communication smooth and seamless. You can easily change your Microsoft Teams email address through your Microsoft account. Keeping your contact information up to date is essential for receiving important team notifications and ensuring you're always in the loop with your team members. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to change Microsoft Teams email address, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.